System activated.
So what is happening, guys? This is Shrup and you are watching Sudipto Tech, and once more all of you guys are greatly welcome to my channel. And in this particular video I am going to show you all the parts and unbox them in front of you that are required for building a great beast of 2,50,000 in 2019. So I will also share my experience regarding buying PC parts in India through both online and offline market. So I wish you shouldn't going to miss this video because this video is great. So I will also give you a link of video in my card if you want to build a PC at a less expensive cost of 60,000 in 2019. So please check that also in the card. And if you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends because they may also be wishing to build a beast in 2019. So guys, let's start and watch the video till the end.
Press the subscribe button for subscribing my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon beside it for getting new updates from my channel. So guys, as a cabinet I am using the Deepcool Matrix 55 RGB cabinet that comes with 3 RGB fans at the front with a glass side and a glass front panel. So at the back side you will get this kind of outlook, and in the side you get a glass panel like this. So this look like this from the overview. The price of it is 7,500, and the vents of it is present at the side as you can see in the video. So at the top you get a power button, LED light changing button for the front 3 RGB fans with a restart button, audio and a mic hole, along with a 2 USB 2.0 and a USB 3.0 port at the front IO panel. Choosing a motherboard is one of the most important thing for building a PC. So depending on the processor, I have chosen the ROG Crosshair Hero 7 Asus motherboard, which is one of the flagship motherboard for Asus for AM4 socket, and its price is about 27,000 INR. So this is what our box open. So as you open the box, we get a bunch of stickers of ROGs. So within a protected case we can find our motherboard, which looks just fantastic. So as we remove the motherboard, we get a manual, few other paperwork, cable mod installation, and discount coupon, Nvidia SLI, along with a few bunch of wire for RGB strips, few bunch of wire for your SATA connection, a Q connector which is really important for building a expensive PC, a coaster, a CD, again ROG sticker of Republic of Gamer, few screws for the M.2. Here are the things that we get in it. So nothing more within this. Apart from motherboard, RAM is also one of the important component of our PC. We choose our RAM depending upon the need. So I have chosen the Crosshair Vengeance RGB Pro 16GB RAM that has an excellent speed of 3000 MHz, and it's a DDR4 RAM. So this RAM I have chosen this kind of RAM of 16GB because of one reason only, because so that I can run each and everything very fast with great performance. Each of these RAM cost me nearly 12,000 rupees. So as we open the pack like this, we get our RAM within a protective case that's look from Crosshair. So packaging is great of course. So this is what the RAM looks like. The heatsinks are made up of metal, as we always know, and at the above position we get a 12 LED that are present within a transparent acrylic piece, which will give you a nice look to your PC when you will install it in our PC. So this is what. So choosing a M.2 or any SSD is necessary for our PC to boot it faster. I have chosen the Samsung 970 EVO 500GB M.2 SSD, which really offers a great speed at an excellent price range. It cost me nearly 12,500 or some that amount of money. This is what it looks like as you open the box. It has gold plating at its front and back. So as we open the box further, we get a manual that from Samsung, and which is also, you can see, sealed. So let's open the seal and see what, if something may be present within it or not. I don't know why the seal put a seal on the manual. So we also get a warranty on it. So we get a 3-year warranty on this. So here you can see. Choosing the processor is generally based on your motherboard, and you have to choose the best processor for your best motherboard. So this is the Ryzen 7 2700X processor from AMD, which original price is 52,000, which is available in local market for 29,000 and in online for 31,000. So it has a 8-core processor with 16 thread and support 3.7 GHz base frequency with a 4.2 GHz top frequency. So this one is a processor, and a sticker comes with it along. So taking out we also get a stock cooler, which is also RGB and has a great cooling system. So in the Ryzen series, the Ryzen 7 only possesses this kind of beautiful cooler. I am not taking out because it contains some thermal paste which may be damaged if I take it out. For providing best power to all the systems or the instrument that you have installed in your computer, the best power supply is necessary. So I have bought the Corsair HX 750 power supply that is really great. I have bought this from online market because this was available only in the online market. So it is a 750 watt power supply which is enough for providing juice to my system. So it is a 80 plus platinum grade power supply, which is really awesome. So it also comes with the plus 12 volts rail switch. So at the back you get some other specification of it and the look of it. Let's open this one by removing the plastic at first. So as you open the box like this from this side, in this way the box will open. It is really quite hard to open the box for me alone because it is really heavy. So as you open the box within a cardboard packing box, we get our power supply and wires and a huge bunch of manuals. You can see how big the manuals are and a warranty card of it. So it generally says a lot of power because it is 80 plus platinum graded. So taking out all the cables at first. So this is the main power cable and it contains all the cables that comes from PSU. The packaging is awesome that you can see. I will also make a separate video on this, also check that. So this one is the main power supply. Here the information is given. So the fan looks like this. This has an elegant look with a beautiful design, and here you can see all the ports and its look, how it's look over here. So here also some information is given on the sticker over the power supply too. Apart from all the equipment, the most expensive and the best equipment of our PC is its graphics card. So we buy the graphics card according to our need. So the first graphics card that I was using till now is the GT 710, which is a bottleneck graphics card but gives a great performance. It is a 2GB graphics card, but now I am switching to a great graphics card. So for gaming as well as all the other things for like graphic designing and video editing, I need a great graphics card too, obviously. So at first I was deciding to buy the RTX 2080 or 1080 Ti, but which wasn't available in the Nvidia side. So I decided to buy this GTX 1080 from the Nvidia side, worth of few INR, that is something 51,000 INR. So it is my GTX 1080. So let's first take it out from the box. So it is also available in Amazon, something worth of rupees 1 lakh or something. They are saying that it is a Zotac one. So this is the Founders Edition, but I do not like to buy things from other companies. Better to buy directly from Nvidia. Though I know it comes with only one Surface fan, still it's best for me because it fits within my budget. So at the back we can see it comes with a 3-year warranty with a 350 MB of RAM with a 8GB of system memory, and 16GB of RAM is necessary for running this graphics card into your system. So here you can see how the package looks. Here it is written Founders Edition. I generally like the Founders Edition because it looks really sexy and very beautiful. So at first open the packet by removing all the sellotapes and the seals present on it, so it's a little bit heavy too. Yeah, so we'll now open the packet. Tang da tang. So there is my GeForce GTX 1080, and this is something paperwork given to it. So it is the welcome to GeForce GTX Gaming. So inside is special edition premium batch, stick on, stick YT, but where is that premium batch? Oh, it has fallen down. So this one is the premium batch. It's really look premium. Yeah. So other than this, we get also a support guide, GeForce GTX 1080 quick start guide also. Here you can see those. So this is the support guide. I do not require this thing. So moving towards the main product, that is the GeForce GTX 1080. It is packed nicely within this packet. So it is within an anti-static packet in order to make it unprone to any damage. It is present within an anti-static packet. So here at the back you get some of the ports, and in the front you get fan which will help you to cool it down. Only one fan. Yeah, if you have 2 to 3 fans, it's better, no? I don't know what we can do, but its design, I bought this only for its design because it looks just awesome. You can see obviously, and I like the Founders Edition. Even the Founders Edition 980 Ti also looks great. All the designs are obviously same. And I know the RTX series is better than this, but for here what I got. So I hope you like this video. If that, don't forget to share this video with your friend, and also subscribe my channel for getting more updates regarding PC and technologies. So in this video, up to this, meet you in the next video with something more interesting. So bye bye guys, meet you in the next video.